How to update store hours on Uber Eats. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. To verify, update, and make temporary changes to your store hours on Uber Eats, follow the steps. First of all, you have to check your menu hours. So go to the menu tab to review your current store hours, and if you notice any discrepancies, click on Edit to adjust the hours to your desired operating times. You can also set temporary store hours. To establish temporary hours, you can navigate to the Settings tab and then select Holiday Hours, and then click on Add More, choose the specific date, and enter your modified store hours. Moreover, you can add more temporary changes as well. If you need to set additional temporary store hours, you can select Add More again. And remember that maintaining accurate store hours help build trust with customers, ensures you don't miss any orders, and maximizes your result. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.